Good evening, everyone. Imagine a market segment where 92% of your target consumer have tried your product. Yet, only a tiny fraction, a mere 17%, make it a daily habit. Shocking, isn't it? This is the reality for milk consumption among young adults in Indonesia, despite the vast potential. We are talking about a generation that's active, health conscious, and constantly seeking a new experience. Yet, milk, a foundational part of nutrition, isn't reasoning with them daily. Why? Because they perceive it causing weight gain. It's often seen too expensive for the value, and frankly, it hasn't always been marketed as the cool or relevant choice for the dynamic lifestyle. There are massive untapped opportunity for growth, especially in the exciting world of specialty flavored milk. Today we, Petarung team, and are here to unveil our groundbreaking solution, the growth strategy for Frisian Flag, Energo Plus, matcha, and mixed berries. This is just another marketing campaign. It's a strategic, multi-phase approach designed to not only capture their attention but to deeply integrate Frisian Flag into the daily routine of young Indonesian adults, making Energo Plus their go-to choice for energy and delicious nutrition. Get ready to see how we plan to transform a 70% daily consumption rate into a vibrant, loyal community. Let's ground ourselves in the strength of Frisian Flag. For over a century, Frisian Flag Indonesia, as part of the global Friesland Company family, has been a pillar in the dairy industry, expertly blending Dutch dairy heritage with the vibrant taste of Indonesia. Their pioneering spirit in UHT milk innovation is undeniable, as reflected in their consistent revenue growth over the past 3 years, showcasing resilient and expanding UHT milk market in Indonesia. Our in-depth SWOT analysis reveals Frisian Flag formidable strength as incredibly wide distribution network, a strong brand reputation built on a trust, and a robust product development capability. As seen with Energo Plus, the opportunities are vast, especially in leveraging digital platform to connect with Gen Z and expand into new customer segment. However, we have also identified areas for growth. The brand image, while strong for families, needs a modern refresh to resonate, a trendy and energetic for young adults. And of course, their competitive landscape is fierce. Ultra Milk leads with 28% market share, but with Frisian Flag holding a solid 60%, we're perfectly positioned to challenge. Our competitors like Indomilk and Cimory each have their own strength. From extensive portfolio innovative product, our strategy is designed to not just complete, but to truly stand out.
Now, let's dive deeper into why young adults aren't drinking milk daily. Our comprehensive issue 3 dissects the problem into 3 core barriers: insufficient trials and awareness, weak habit formation, and significant health and perception barriers. Consider this: 75% of young Indonesian adults have never even tried specialty flavored milks or like matcha or mixed berries. This indicates a massive awareness gap and lack of exciting entry points. And also, beyond trial, deeply ingrained perceptions are holding us back. A staggering 66% report lactose intolerance, whether real or perceived, and approximately 40% believe that milk causes weight gain. Whether these are powerful psychological barriers we must address. Furthermore, only 14% choose drinks based on nutrition, indicating that the health benefits are a primary driver for this segment. And the final hurdle, price. 36% feel the value doesn't justify the cost, often linking healthy options with expensive choices, which means these combined factors contribute to Indonesia's remarkably low milk consumption per capita, around 16 kilograms annually, presenting both a challenge and an incredible opportunity for Frisian Flag to lead a change. Now, we move on to a growth strategy, which is our solution. So this is our integrated full funnel approach designed to not only overcome these barriers, but to aggressively capture market share and foster deep loyalty. And the G is for grabbing attention. We're going big. Imagine promotional collaboration with a youth icon like Jerome Pauline dominating KRL stations and even train carriage everywhere. This isn't just advertising. It's basically placing Frisian flag directly in their daily commute, which means we will be reaching an estimated 13.65 million young adults in their natural habits. And the R is for rousing interest. We will turn curiosity into engagement. Our Energo plus matcha and mixed berries packaging will feature 20 unique QR codes, each unlocking a pre-recorded personalized video call experience with Jerome Pauline himself. Imagine their excitement. This will be coupled also with strategic sampling booths between KRL stations and university campus. So this will allow them to taste the delicious difference firsthand. And this phase itself is projected to engage 3.41 million. Next, for the O is the optimizing purchase. We're making it easy and attractive to buy. We will implement promotional bundling on all major e-commerce platforms and activate targeted advertising campaigns within small kiosks, making Energo Plus accessible and appealing at every touchpoint. This strategy is designed to acquire 682,500 new customers. And for the final one, which is the W, is winning loyalty. Okay, this is where we build lasting relationships. We will launch monthly user-generated content, which you could also simplify by saying UGC challenges on TikTok using an engaging filter. Our filter, which encourage them to share their energetic lifestyles. Crucially, we will partner with experts like Dr. Tirta for an educational podcast series, and it will also demystify milk consumption and address the health myths directly. And this also aim to cultivate 341,250 loyal customers, transforming casual buyers into brand advocates. Now, we are moving on to our strategy timeline. So, the growth strategy isn't just an idea, it's a meticulously planned, executable roadmap for sustained success. Our timeline spans from the third quarter of 2025 to the fourth quarter of 2027, allowing us for strategic rollout and continuous optimization. We kick off with grabbing attention through major marketing launches and influencer activations. This seamlessly transitions into rousing interest with our unique QR code campaign and also targeted campus events. And also following that, we will intensify the optimizing purchase through strategic bundling and kiosk advertising. And also we will be finally solidifying the winning loyalty with ongoing social engagement and educational content consistently driven by data-driven refinements. So this brings us the risk and mitigation part. There is no strategy without the risk. So our plan is to come with a risk and mitigation plan for potential shortfalls in trial execution and sampling. We have secured multiple vetted logistic partners and also pre-book backup locations. This will help us ensure the reach we need to address the low conversion from awareness to purchase. And we will be deploying the unique trackable promo codes and leverage real-time targeting ads, ensuring our message reaches those on the cusp of buying. Concerns about health and perception backlash will be proactively managed by integrating nutritionist endorsements and transparent frequently asked questions pages into all our educational content. And finally, to avoid over-reliance on a single influencer, our strategy incorporates a rotation of 4 to 6 niche micro-influencers and also a diverse range of content format, ensuring a broader appeal and resilience.
Okay guys, we have reached the conclusion so far, and current situation is milk consumption in Indonesia still remains low. and we still facing negative perception about milk, about the price and limited distribution because Indonesia is wide and large country with many islands, so it's a challenge, but in the same time it's also a blessing for Indonesia. And the question, how can Frisian flag foster loyalty and increase milk consumption habits among young Indonesian adults? We already created growth strategy, and we moved to the interesting part for the company. Financial indicator, we calculated the ROI is about 20% and growth year on year about 30% with the ERR or IRR 35%. And for the branding indicator, we calculated awareness, we will get about 13 million and new potential customer about 682,000, and potential loyal customer will attract 341,000. By embracing the growth strategy, Frisian Flag not only unlock a massive untapped market, but also solidify its position as trusted, relevant, and preferred daily choice for young adults in Indonesia. We are confident that Energo Plus matcha and mixed berries will become synonymous with their energetic, healthy lifestyle. Thank you for your time and attention. Sincerely, Petarung, peace out.